Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mrs. Home. Today I am going to show you how to paint a beautiful coffee painting on canvas. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Here I have taken a Faber-Castell canvas board of size 10 by 12. Now the first step is drawing the design on the canvas board. If you are unable to draw, you can use carbon paper to trace the design. This is an instant coffee which I am going to take this in the bowls. In the first bowl I have added 1 spoon of warm water, and in the second bowl I have added 2 spoons of warm water, and in the third bowl I have added 3 spoons of warm water. Mix well until the coffee dissolves. First I am going to paint the whole painting with the lighter shade. Here I have used flat brush of number 12. Let it dry completely. Now I am going to use the rest of 2 shades. Now I am going to fill the design with the second lighter shade. Here I have used a round brush of size 8. Now I am going to use the darker shade. Now paint the leaves and the flowers with the darker shade. In the same way, I am going to paint the lady with the lighter shade. Here I am not painting on the face part. Let it dry for a while. Now I'm going to paint this with a darker shade. Now I am going to use the fourth shade, which I am going to mix with a very little water. Now I am going to use this darker shade to give the outline for the entire painting. Here I have used the round brush of size 000. In the same way, I am giving outline to the tree, leaves and also for the flowers. After completion of this painting, this is how it looks. Friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do post your comments in the comment section below.